Hi guys, this is the first flight for this drone and we're just gonna test it out to see how it does. Given the specs, it should do good, but let me try and connect the battery first. Okay, we decide that we don't have a cover for the rev end of the drone. So let's see how it's going to do. Turn the remote on. Push the left throttle up and down to sync it. All lights are solid, that is good. Let's take off. Oh, nice. Pretty steady climb, looking good so far. Actually, this drone, the Slipstream Wi-Fi, it uses 2.5 gig remote control with a free downloadable app that you can stream live video and take pictures, and you can do that simultaneously. That is, you can take pictures while you're flying and then still videotape. So that's a cool feature. Actually, this drone was built for stunts, including bank turns and 360 flips. It's supposed to be able to do the flips in all directions, so that's another good feature. It has a built-in gyroscope, 6-axle, full toss, and launch capable. 2.4 gig transmitter provide clear wide area view, so I'm very excited to test those features out in my next video. But thus far, as you can see, it flies really good. The control is magnificent. And you can also use from the app draw a flight path, and you can use the VR, but it doesn't come with the goggles, so you have to buy those separately. It has an auto launch, as you saw. It hovers and it lands with altitude sensors, so it wouldn't fall down drastically. If you hit the landing button, it will land smoothly. So pretty much it's a decent little drone. The only thing that I've noticed so far is that you cannot use it in humid conditions or under wet conditions. I know all electronics, you're not supposed to use them in humid conditions, but there are some that you can risk it. But with this particular drone, no way, no risking. It flies really good. I think I love this drone. Yeah, I was a little bit cautiously optimistic, but from this first flight, I think I'm gonna like it even more when I discover more about it. So on my next video, I'll test out the app, try to fly from the app, videotape, see the video quality and some other good stuff. So for now, the test was successful. Landed on my palm. Yep. Alright guys, please subscribe, leave your comments below. See you on my next video. Enjoy.